Gentlemen, thank you for your time.
Thanks, Bob.
Curtis, may I talk to you as a producer first? Thank you for giving us and casting such a compelling actor on Power.
No, listen. The very first time, like when we went through a process with him. He read about five times.
Five times.
Really?
Five auditions. Yeah.
And it's because he was so different in the previous characters, the work that we seen he did, that he was going, can he get to that point? And it's like, I was like, yeah, he could do it. You got to be kidding me. After that stuff that you did prior to this was a lot.
Yeah, sure.
It was a lot tougher, I think. And then when he got to this, after we got through the process, me and Courtney, and then she made the final decision on Joe, and it was like, yo, once we seen it first,
yes,
when we went through the table reads, it was
there.
It was clear, like, and then it was, we went through a process where the network was kind of doubting the Omari, because he was tone-wise, he would stay low while we were actually reading. He was just reading. And they,
after we get the scripts at the table read.
Right,
yeah,
but it works, in the final product it works.
No, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
I knew Omari was the guy. I had to have conversations with me, communicate with me and Omari just to keep him on they're going to do that anyway. The networks are always going to say, oh, he's great, I'm just not sure if he can carry the whole series. Why? Because he's new. Like, so just in case, they go, well, I told you I wasn't sure.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, like, just in case.
Cover themselves.
Think of how many shows go out that they anticipate being successful that aren't as successful as Power. So.
Exactly. And speaking of successful, congratulations on a second season, and congratulations on being employed actors.
Oh,
both of you.
That ain't easy.
Tell me about it. It ain't easy. When did you because the show is called Power, it's about power, it's about, you take this road or take that road. When did you realize that acting would be your power, that would be your perfect creative expression?
I think it's very, very tough. I've been acting a long time. I wanted to get into acting as a kid. And I kind of got out of it in high school to get into mischief. And then my parents really pushed me to go to college, even though I think they were pretty sure that I would either be a policeman or a fireman, or that's the kind of neighborhood I grew up in Chicago. Right. Or a city worker. And I just really wanted to be an actor, and
did they support you in the acting?
They did. Eventually, they did. And they always did. Certainly, my mother always did. I think that my father probably had some like, God, there's no security in this. What is he? Maybe what is he doing? And I always was able just to make a living, which is very difficult as an actor. I love doing theater, which doesn't necessarily pay a whole lot. So it's definitely been an uphill road, and I feel very blessed to have Tommy because I get to really personalize him and also incorporate somebody else's life into the character. I feel like Tommy in a lot of ways is a collaboration between myself, 50, Courtney Kemp Agbo, the creator, and Omari Hardwick. And, because I love collaborating, and I think that we got a pretty great final product.